YouTube, what's up? Today, we're gonna go over something I cannot find anywhere on YouTube. We're gonna go over how to protect your listing from being taken down by black hatters and the rogue AI algorithm, the dark part of Amazon. I'm talking about hijacking, foreign removals, image sabotage, ranking abductions, inventory sniping, ad assaults, trademark assassination, and much more. I'm talking about how to make sure your listing stays up at all times. I'm gonna go over some tips and things that you can do. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, but these are things you can do to make sure your listing doesn't get taken down. I'm telling you, waking up at 4 a.m. in the morning to an email saying,
"We've removed your listing,"
is not a fun thing, and it makes your heart drop. And then when you go on there and you can't get it reactivated and now you're stressing out, my life. Prevent this stuff from happening so you don't have to feel that, okay? Now, before we jump into that, need a small favor. Drop your boy a like, comment, and a subscribe. That's all. Just a click, click, clack, bada bing, boom, bap. You know what I'm saying? Something small. Now, today's video will be short, so let's jump right into it. Number 1, set up two-step authentication on your Amazon Seller Central account. For the love of all that is sweet, please. I've seen people literally have their accounts logged into and their bank information changed, and they can't get it changed back, and they have sales that are being produced. Don't be that guy or girl. Set up two-step authentication ASAP. Number two, please put a limit on the number of items a customer can check out with for your product. What does this do? This prevents people from being able to add all your items to cart and then just sitting there so you have nothing available for anybody to buy. I know, childish, right? It's happened to me. Don't be that person. Number 3, turn on customer service. If you go into Amazon and you go into settings, you can actually turn off or on the ability to answer customer service inquiries. Turn it on. Why? You want to be able to take the customer's complaints head on versus them going directly to Amazon and Amazon dealing with the customer. Because if Amazon deals with that customer, you don't have the option or opportunity to make that right, which can result in your account or listing being shut down. Number 4, make sure you have product user guides. You can upload PDFs to your listing of usage guides showing customers how to use your product. If you don't do this and customers complain about your product, but it turns out it's just they're not using it right, Amazon will ask you, where's your usage guide and are you giving it to customers? If you don't have one and or you're not giving it away, you make your case much harder when they come to ask you what's going on. That can result in your listing being taken down. So just have usage guides ready, upload them to your list. Number 5, watch your review ratios. Here's what I mean. If you see yourself getting a lot of negative reviews and it looks kind of suspicious, or you see yourself getting a lot of positive reviews and it looks kind of suspicious, immediately contact Amazon and let them know that that is happening. If they suspect it is you, this could get your entire account or listings shut down. Be proactive in letting them know, hey, that ain't me, bruh. Hey, that's him. I ain't do nothing. Protect yourself. Number 6. Okay, this one is so simple. Complete your entire listing. There are certain fields on the back of your listing that if you do not complete, someone else will come in and complete for you, and you might not like what they put. And if they put something that the A9 algorithm doesn't like either, well, what do you know? Your listing now is being suspended for being a pesticide or something crazy. Go in and update all the information on the back of your listing so that you control it. Number 7. Okay, this one right here, this one almost gave me a heart attack because it took me a while to figure out, but I did. Okay, please, for the love of all that is sweet, sign up on all Seller Central platforms. US, Canada, Mexico, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, Australia, Japan, Netherlands. Sign up for all of these, okay? Just trust me when I tell you to sign up for them, because if you don't, someone will list your product for you. And you might not like what they do to your listing in a different country, but that might have effects on your listing in your country if you catch my drift. So please sign up. Okay, so those are all the free tips, okay? We're gonna move into paid tips. That doesn't mean that you don't have to do these. I recommend you do these. The things that I'm telling you will help you to avoid 90% of this stuff. So with that said, number 8, get your products tested for whatever tests or qualification your product needs, because Amazon may ask you for that. And if you don't have it, you can kiss your listing goodbye. Example, some of the products that I have require a special lab test that takes 30 days to get the results for. Then combine that with the time Amazon takes to get your listing up, you just lost 60 to 90 days worth of time on the platform. And as we know, when you're not selling, everyone else is. Lost sales, lost time, pain. Number 9, sign up for the transparency program. You may have people saying they're selling your products, but they're really not selling your products, but they're saying they're selling your product, and Amazon doesn't really seem to know if it's true or not. This is how you fix it. You sign up for the transparency program. They give you little barcodes, serialized barcodes that you can put on every single one of your units. And so now if someone wants to sell your product and they don't have the transparency stickers, they can't sell it. Keeps the bad guys out and makes your life easier. Does it cost? Yes. You need to decide if it's worth it, but it is an option. Number 10, brand registry. For the love of all that is sweet, please sign up for brand registry. Brand registry is basically taking your brand name, getting it trademarked, and then telling Amazon that it's trademarked. Also help you when someone files a claim against your brand with your brand name that you own, saying it's not your brand. Yeah, it's happened. But make sure you file for brand registry. Okay, and my final tip number 11. Okay, so this one right here, this is a deep one. This is one that I kind of feel like I shouldn't share, but I kind of gotta share it just to let some of you guys in. Okay, little guys, I gotta let you in. Okay, these are 8-figure secrets right here. Wherever you import your product from, get a trademark in that country. It'll protect you and give you a peace of mind and stop a lot of headache that can happen because you didn't. Okay, I understand that it may take you some time to get to that point. It's fine. Keep that in mind and on your roadmap and make it something that you're gonna do. And those are the 11 tips of things that you can do to prevent your listing from being hacked by the algorithm and by bad actors on the platform. This stuff will save you 95% of the headache that can happen on your listings or your account from not having this stuff done. So just go ahead and do it now if you haven't. You'll thank me later. And when you do, make sure you tell them Cinny sent you. But wait, my product's not selling. I can help you with that too. Go ahead and click this video right here. I'm gonna show you exactly how the algorithm works so you can rank your products, get your sales going, and enjoy the FBA laptop lifestyle, baby. Woo! Y'all have yourself a good one now.